Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 operating system for BMW E81, E88, E87. Okay, year 24 to 2011 years. Okay, here is the model. You can check this support DVD slot. These buttons and button is SD card slot to SD card slot. Okay. You can check the back of head unit. This is radio antenna. This Wi-Fi connector, GPS. You can check GPS. And these connectors, this spatial power fuse, USB, full USB. Okay, you can check. When you receive the head units, please take out these two screens on the top of head unit. Okay, you can check the side. This button, okay, and left. Front, okay. It comes with GPS antenna and the other cable. It's built in the full USB. This is Wi-Fi antenna. Connect back to head unit. You can connect Wi-Fi antenna. This is Wi-Fi. Okay, and the other connector you can connect here, and it comes with USB cable. This USB cable you can connect here, and these other connectors, this microphone, this wires, this camera, okay, and the other this video for audio front RCA type audio connector. You can connect this port. Okay. Let me connect this. This connector connects this port and microphone. Okay, you can connect the microphone back. Okay, this comes with GPS antenna and the other cable, and this install parts with screw. Okay, and the head unit comes with the part. Here's the part. Let me show. This comes with the head units. this part. And this one. Okay, it comes with the two. You can compare different parts. Okay. Let me power on head units with 12 voltage. The head unit will restart. Okay. This USB driver you can connect back. There are two USB driver. Okay, you can check this in UI interface. You can choose logo, settings. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can choose BMW and adjust this color on Theme Editor. Any color you can adjust. Okay, and let me choose this color. Okay, you can check, and this button color you also can change in the settings. Blue, red, orange, and the other you can adjust this panel. Okay. Okay, let me show the other function. Let me check the settings. System. You can check model is PX5 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, you can back the home. This button back the home. Okay, let me show the internet. Let me connect the SSIs first. It supports Google Voice command. New York. You can check it, search the New York automatically. There are no sound because I do not connect speaker, and it built in the microphone. Okay, you can check our website, belsee.com. Okay, this is our website. This Tesla model. Okay. Let me show the navigation. It's built in Google Maps. Also supports the voice command. New York. Moscow. Okay, it will search the Moscow automatically. Okay, you can touch control. Let me play the music from USB. There are no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. You can adjust this amplifier and support other model. Mute, stop. Okay, let me show the dual screen. Long press it will show the split model, and you can check it runs the music and navigation, Google navigation at the same time. Okay, let me show Bluetooth. This pin number 40. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8. Then please turn on the Bluetooth from your phone at first. Click search button, it will show the Galaxy S8 Plus. When you click pair button, you will get the command from your phone and put the 40. Okay, it changed color, show Bluetooth echo. You can make phone call. Okay. Let me show the E82 from your phone. You can listen to music from your phone from E82. Volume control from your phone. Stopped. Okay. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact us. That's all. Thank you.